Okay, so this is the RGB light to soundboard. So basically you've got your little LED here. You can hear the speaker going off in the background, and then there's the oscilloscope with just some really hot white light. This is a red light. You can hear the sound is a little bit lower. You're getting your full RGB here. If I put a piece of blue over it, we should just be getting red and blue now. And then you compare that to red, blue, and green. You hear the green down there. And so basically how we have this wired up is we have the green, blue, and red leads going to capacitors, the 3 1 microfarad capacitors, and then this is a common cathode RGB LED. And so each one of those legs is getting tied into the other end of the caps. Got, ground on either side. Coming out from then those go over here to the Arduino into the analog reads. Coming out of the Arduino, we have one digital pin. I have it in 5. It doesn't really matter where it is. If you want to use my code, you should probably make it 5. And then we have that coming out and going into a 1 kilo ohm resistor. That 1 kilo ohm resistor leg gets tied to the out for the speaker or the headphones. You also put a 4.7 microfarad capacitor sharing that and going to ground. And then also going to ground, you have the ground end of your speaker. And then I've also got my oscilloscope tied in to sharing what the speaker is getting, and then going to ground as well. So not that much there setup wise, but you get some pretty cool audio from just different colors and intensities of light. So go on GitHub and check out the code. Bye.